Yeah, but you can't get a truck back there. That's the problem.
Yeah.
We found where we're going to go tubing. Since we live in Edgewood, I don't know if you know where that is. Since we live there, Kate, the car wash is right before the bridge. Park our car there and get out with our tubes and go down to the duck park and get out and have someone come pick us up.
Okay.
Be a nice little tube ride. If I could keep a boat at my place, I'd just buy a little canoe train and take that with me, but you can't keep anything like that up there. Well, you kind of can if you put it in your parking spot, but everybody fishes the point. You can move your car to the visitor spot. They were like, we only give you your 2 minutes. They made an argument for 5 minutes.